Good morning! Happy hump day! How are you? How was your night? I'm doing pretty good. I slept in until 8:30. It was kind of nice, to be honest. Having it be summer vacation, not gonna lie, it's one of the better things that I like about summertime and being able to sleep in, especially now that my kids are a little bit older. I'm not gonna complain. I don't have that 5:30 alarm going off besides my bladder saying, hey you, it's time, it's time, it's time to urinate. Look, it's Miss Marley girl. Who is that on there? Okay, so Liv loaded the dishwasher, so I added a few things to it and got it started. We're making our caffeine. I got cherry pomegranate, watermelon limeade. You know, that's my favorite. So yes, other than that, I think I got one load of laundry to do. I want to mop this kitchen floor, so I got to sweep and mop. And maybe start picking up the living room areas, some of the little clutter areas that are in there. But yeah, that's it. It's another beautiful day. It's supposed to be like 75 and cool, like a cool breeze. I'm good with that. The humidity's pretty much gone. How can I ask for a better day? So today, yeah, it's gonna be a little boring, but come along and enjoy it. Hi. Hello. So much for my folded clothes. I seen fake scholars fold and remix it and pull up donut hook. This ain't rage bait. Tonight, welcome to get wild wages. Hey, got milk for down. Right there, welcome to this, please. I was just watching Santana on TikTok. He does some political lives. He sits down with people and figures out what they are looking for in their government. Little outfit of the day. I'm just wearing lounge clothes today because I'm home. I'm not going nowhere. I've got my J necklace, this ring, and these cute little clip-on mushroom earrings because I don't have my ears pierced. But yes, and yes, I am going braless today. I'm home. I want to be comfortable. I don't have much on the agenda, so it's kind of chill day, and I'm okay with that. Okay, brush our teeth. I've been really enjoying this toothpaste. I think it's done a good job. Go me trying to be silly. There, I am ready for this day. So cleaning today compared to when the kids were little looks so much different. When the kids were little, we had all their toys in the living room, and that was their playroom. And I had to clean it 2 to 3 times a day easily. And then, they were little and in high chairs and booster seats, so the kitchen floor needed to be swept at least twice a day. And now they don't even play with toys, so I don't have to worry about that. I do miss those days. There, we have gotten the kitchen all swept. I'm going to go into the living room and start organizing things in order so we can sweep and mop in there too today. The only kiddo that I even have to tell to clean up after himself now is Mr. M, and that's because he's 9. The other kids, they clean their own rooms, they take care of their stuff. I don't have to worry about it. I do have to ask them from time to time to help me with some chores, but that's to be expected. I know when they were younger, I was looking forward to the age where they could clean up after themselves. Now, part of me is a little sad. I can't believe how fast the time has flown by. And I know everybody says this, but it really does. Being a mom has been such a wild and amazing journey. It's something I've always wanted, and I love it. I absolutely love it, even on the hard days. They make it worth it every single day to be their mom. I look at them and I'm inspired by their beauty, their kindness, their compassion, their empathy.